it's really special for me. I have to admit my focus has been on my daughter and her graduation, but it's made it extra special that not only are my parents here to see their granddaughter graduate from a program my father's father helped start, but we're also here to help UMUC close out the chapter in Heidelberg.
I think what I'll be able to take from my grandfather's legacy and be able to apply it to my own future is just the fact that he started something that was just able to touch so many lives. And unfortunately he wasn't able to realize at the time, but then again, who does? But he's just played such an important role in so many people's lives. And I kind of hope I'll be able to be there for people like he was.
May I now ask the graduates to stand.